everybody, I am Manahil from class 6G and today I am going to make a cartoon on Powtoon. Let's begin. First of all, I am going to sign up in Powtoon by Google, and after that in the control panel I am going to the tool create and going to select my template, whether you want horizontal, vertical according to your video. Then you are going to choose a look for your Powtoon. I'm choosing cartoon, and then in the toolbar the first setting is scenes. So I'm going to choose scene in my intro. If you want to delete anything, you just have to click on it and choose backspace. If you want to add new slide, you can simply just click on blank slide, and if you want to choose background, you can just click on background, and if you want to choose background colors, you can choose it. And if you want to add title, you can go to title and add title. If you want to change color, you can change from color setting, and if you want to change writing and size, so you can select it from settings. If you want design titles, so you can also select them in design titles section. If you want to upload your background from your computer or from your drive, so you can also choose it. If you want to add any images, you can also search it or copy from Google. And if you want to add characters, you can go to character section and choose whether and however character you want. If you want to add any shape, so you can also choose shapes. I'm choosing animated shapes. Images frames is also quite good, so I'm also using it. And if you want any props like items, so you can also choose it. Make sure you don't choose anything which has watermark of pro, so it will be difficult for you to share it in your Google Classroom. If you want to add any sound effect, so you can also choose sound in soundtracks, and if you can also upload it from your computer. You can also lower its pitch or listen it before applying. And you can save it from right next to the preview. And its final look. Thank you so much. Stay safe and goodbye.